This is the Simmons 8820 head casting for the Simmons 800 series yard hydrants. A couple things about it. See where it mounts. It has female thread. It is hexed, as well as female thread in the spout there as well. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the head casting. Get an outer diameter of the hexed portion here. See, the outer diameter measures right below 2 inches, right about an inch, yeah, right below 2 inches. And we can go ahead and measure the outer diameter of the spout as well. You can see that measures right at 1.5 inches. Then an inner diameter of the spout, measuring right at about 3/4 of an inch. We'll do an inner diameter of the hex portion. See, that'll measure right at 3/4 of an inch. We'll measure the head long ways. You can see that measurement there. If we end here at the lip of the spout, it's kind of hard to measure, but you can see right at about 6 inches. Yeah, once again, this is the Simmons 8820 head casting for the 800 series yard hydrants.